Minnie rides on a flat road at 20 kilometers per hour, downhill at 30 kilometers per hour, and uphill at 5 kilometers per hour. Penny rides on a flat road at 30 kilometers per hour, downhill at 40 kilometers per hour, and uphill at 10 kilometers per hour. Minnie goes from town A to town B, a distance of 10 kilometers all uphill, then from town B to town C, a distance of 5 kilometers all uphill, and then back to town A, a distance of 20 kilometers on the flat. Penny goes the other way around using the same route. How many more minutes does it take Minnie to complete the 45-kilometer ride? So first, I'm going to start off with Minnie. Okay, so what I know is on the flat, she goes 20 kilometers per hour. On the downhill, she goes 30 kilometers per hour, and then up, she's going 5 kilometers per hour. And then the towns, I'm just going to lay out A, she goes A, then B, then C, and then back to A. And so what we were told is this distance is 10 kilometers uphill. This is 15 kilometers downhill, and then this is 20 kilometers flat. So I'm going to look at her speeds and see how long it's going to take her. So uphill she goes 5 kilometers per hour, so that's 10 divided by 5. This is going to take her 2 hours. And then downhill, 15 kilometers. She goes 30 kilometers per hour on the downhill, so this will take 30 minutes. And then on the flat, we see that she goes flat 20 kilometers per hour. This will take 1 hour for a total of 3 hours, 30 minutes. So now we're going to look at Penny. So on the flat, she goes 30, downhill, she goes 40, and then up, she goes 10. And she does it in the opposite direction. So she goes A, then C, then B, and then A again. And one thing to note, the flat, it's going to be the same. So we have 20 kilometers flat. But what was, if you look from B to C, that was downhill for Minnie. But since Penny is going from C to B, that's going to be uphill for her. So she's actually going 15 kilometers uphill. And then again, it's going to be the reverse. The last one is going to be 10 kilometers downhill. And so for finding her time, I'm going to do on the flat, she goes 30 kilometers, so I do 20 over 30. 2/3 of an hour is 40 minutes. And then I see 15 kilometers uphill, she goes 10, so 15 divided by 10, I get 1 hour, 30 minutes. And then 10 kilometers downhill is going to be 1/4 of an hour, so that'll take her 15 minutes. And if you add all that up, you get 2 hours, 25 minutes. And to find the distance between those two, just subtract 2 hours, 25 minutes from 3 hours, 30 minutes, and you get 65 minutes. So it takes Minnie 65 more minutes to complete the ride. So the answer is C.